So it's really easy as that. All we have to do is copy the script that this AI generated and go over to our second tool using a script to video AI generation. We click proceed, paste our script in there, title our video, and then click on proceed. Once we've done that, we can choose a general layout or template for our video. My favorite one to use is this guy right down here, the space travel bubble, because you can see the text has that yellow to white font difference. Now this right here is going to scour the internet for any copyright-free footage that matches the script that we gave it to generate. This is 100% the easiest and laziest way to start a YouTube automation cash cow channel in 2023. Only a few moments later and we have our AI generated video. Now we have our script, we have our video fully generated, which you would pay an editor for, and we have the video fully subtitled with stock or copyright free music playing in the background. The only thing left is a voiceover, and of course we don't want to go hire a voiceover artist because this is the easiest and laziest way to get into YouTube automation, not one that takes a ton of steps. We want one and done. So we're going to go over to the audio tab and then click on voiceover. Now it does have some US English ones. This is AI generated text to speech, but it is very, very advanced. It is not something that you would really know is AI generated. So I actually prefer to use either the Australian or New Zealand English because those sound the most legitimate. Now you might be wondering how to find a niche and how to actually find a video script to run through your paraphrasing tool. In order to find a niche, we are going to use, you guessed it, more AI. We're going to go over to Chatgpt and literally going to tell it to list the top 10 highest profit YouTube niches. Now that we have an idea of what type of niche we could use, we can then start finding articles to paraphrase to start generating our videos. So we're going to go with tech reviews and tutorials, and the article that I found was this one right here by Hypebeast, and this is basically just the top tech stories of the new year. Of course, due to copywriting and not wanting to straight up take someone else's wording, we're going to copy this article and put it into an AI paraphrasing tool. This will take the article and spin it into something that is 100% copyright free that we can then plug into our script to video tool using Pictory, and voila, just like that, we have a fully automated YouTube cash cow channel.